Hey guys, I wanted to go through and share my scrapbook.com order that I just got in when I got back from my trip. A lot of stuff to share. Okay, so this was one of the things that I got, and it's $9.99, and it is a Crafter's Companion Vintage Halloween, and you get 12 designs, 3 of each, so it's 36 double-sided, and it's the heavy, well, not heavy, but pretty substantial, maybe 80 weight. Anyway, I love the design, so I decided to get it. And then you get the other side. Pretty. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love that. It's coming off orange. It's a kind of a reddish orange. And then there's this one with the back side. Oh, look at the cat and the pumpkins. Oh, that's cool. There's this with the lanterns. Oh, I love that. So kind of a background type. You can look at that plaid too. There's this one. You can barely see. There's a witch. She's like at a cemetery. And yet it's pretty. And there's the back side of that one, I think. Oh, did I skip too far ahead? No. Ooh, and look at the gold, the lighting. Oh, that's cool. All right, I'm going to be here forever. There's this one. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. Very cool. So there's that witch again. This time she's by a cauldron. Love the mushrooms. This is just gorgeous. And there's that. Very cool. So I think that was worth the $9.99. Oh, there's a skeleton at the cemetery. And there's the other side. So there you go. There's that one. That was Crafter's Companion. This is scrapbook.com. However, I'm going to divert Jen from Strawberry Cream 39. Hi, Jen, if you're watching. She shared that she uses the glitter foam. So she got this on, or I got it. She got hers too. I don't know if it's the same one, but sticky glitter. So it's sticky back glitter foam when she's doing letters and stuff. So there's that. I'm throwing that in there because I got a lot of stuff to throw in there. One of my freebies, I think it was 3 things free this time around. Look at me, even prepared with the scissors. So this was Simple Stories, 6x8 paper pad, spooky things. So I got a lot of Halloween that I don't need, but oh, I just love Halloween and Christmas are so fun to color and decorate for. There's this Trick or Treat. That's cute. Eek and Boo. That's cute. Flowers. So it's the cutesy, right? Polka dots. Oh, I love that. So it reminded me a lot of the Doodlebug too. I wanted the Doodlebug, and you'll see how I got some of it. But I think Jen had shared her Doodlebug stuff too. So I will show you that. But look at all these cute little cut-aparts. Oh my gosh. Love it. So there you go. And then it repeats. And there's those cute stripes. I put a spell on you. So there we go. So I got that free. I think this next one, because, you know, you can't have enough Halloween stuff. Yeah, right. Anywho, let's see. This one was P13 $5.49. And it, again, reminded me of, and I've had their stuff before. Oh, I love it when they do the cover sheet with something cool on the back. That's a great way to do it. Aren't these cute? I've had P13 before. They come out with some really cute stuff. Look at these. I love these witches' boots and legs. There's some more fall. Hopefully you can see this okay. I'm doing this where I don't see everything you're seeing, so bear with me. Ooh, look at that purple polka dot. Oh my gosh, so cute. Trick or Treat. And then fall. There's, ooh, that's blinding me. Oh, look at that. The cobwebs. That'd be a neat background. And I think it's repeating itself. Yes. So with this one, you get 24 double-sided sheets. 4 sheets of 6 designs. So there's that. And then I had to go, let's see, what did I get? Oh, so because I couldn't get the Doodlebug Sweet and Spooky set, or, you know, it's all sold out everywhere, and I didn't want to pay shipping on every place, so I got pieces of it. And this is literally bits and pieces. So cute, though. Oh my gosh. Trick or treat. There's this. Cute. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, I love the tag. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. Oh, kind of into the pink Halloween, as you've probably seen by now. Loving it. It's kind of cute. Look at the stripes. Love it. Oh my gosh. And then these tiny, they look like little charcuterie boards, but they're tags. Let me get that. I love candy. I heart candy. So all kinds of cutie patootie stuff. Look at this. I mean, does that not make you smile? Oh my gosh. October 31st. And another tag like this one. Cute. Okay. Much more, but we'll be here for 5 days if I keep going. But it's so cute. Okay. So I think you get 42 pieces altogether. Oh, look at this. Trick or treat. Cute. Can I say cute one more time? You know I will. It's actually cold here today. I know the rest of the country is suffering with heat and rain and everything else, and I'm like, it's chilly. It's weird. It's like fall weather. This was a freebie. I thought, well, as long as it's free, it's a scraper, like you use for your cricket mats and things. Nothing too exciting there. But this was free. Now, right now, I looked it up, and they have one thing on there. So, you never know. Simon Hurley, Reindeer Roundup. So you get these dies right here. Cute. This is the reason I ordered. Check out Crafty Bean Tina. Hi, Tina, if you're watching. She did some, I think it was for Saturday Morning Makes, and she used this zigzag. It looked like real stitching. Oh my gosh, so I had to have it. Creative Dies by Penny Black. So that was awesome. Thanks for sharing that, Tina. She has a great channel. She does wonderful artwork. She does, ooh, got this. Haul videos and D-stash videos to die for. So she's quite versed in all kinds of areas. So here, oops, sorry. So what I did was I went through and ordered individual pieces. These came out to like $1.19. Life is Sweet. Look at the little witch with her green face. Oh, I like this. Eat, drink, and be scary. Hey Pumpkin. Oh, that's so cute. Look at this. So this is Sprinkling of Fun. Hey Pumpkin set. So it wasn't the spooky and sweet, but some of it is, some of it isn't. So then I got Spooky and Sweet Hello Sugar tags. Hopefully you're seeing this okay. You just cut those apart, and this is what it will look like on the other side, which is nice. It's a good, okay. Polka dots. This is the other side, and this is the Sweet and Spooky again, and it's borders. So $1.19. So maybe this way is the better way to go, because then I get the pieces I know I will use. But I don't know if they have it in a 6x6 or not, because I'd like a 6x6 or 6x8. This is Hey Pumpkin, which is also such a cute. And look at these long, my favorite treats. Trick or treat. This one's called Sabrina's Socks. I have no idea why they would call it. But, you know, I guess because they're long. October activities. This would be good for planner, which I need to get back on my planner stuff. And Fun at the Park, Doodlebug, luggage tags. Cute. Life is sweet. There we go. And then this is is this the same one? No, the other one was sweet. Whatever. This one's Hey Pumpkin borders. Plaid, it's Halloween. Oh, that's funny. Cute, cute, and of course, more cute. So there's 5 more cutes, I said. Oh, MG. Should have gotten 2. I love that background, but I'm sure I have enough of those plaids. Hey Pumpkin. Pumpkin Patch Plaid. And this is, yeah, Pumpkin Patch Plaid. Hello, Boo. Oh my god. It's all a bunch of hocus pocus. Look at the kitty. And then all these little phrases you can cut apart. You look spooktacular. Will work for candy corn. Make a comment below. Are you a candy corn eater? I used to be, but I don't buy it specifically anymore. But oh, and look at, oh, see, some of these I should have gotten too. Sweet spirits. Look at these little ghosties. Oh, I only got the one, I think. Yeah. Oh well. Anyway, so this one is called, in case you want to find it, Sweet Spirits. So it's got all these little cut aparts, tags. Ooh, look at that cute house. Of course I like it. It's teal. Have a beautiful day. Oh, that's cute. Get well soon. Okay. Sweet and spooky candy sticks. And then there's this again, which is the long Happy Halloween. There's that cute little girl. The stacked Frankenstein and Miss. Did she have a specific, or is she just Mrs. Frankenstein? I don't remember. Look at that haunted house. See, okay, when I was a kid, story time, my cousins and I remember going over to their house in Spokane, actually, and at Halloween time, and we went through a real house, old house that was, I don't think they do it that way anymore. And they had the guy out in front with the chainsaw with no blade in it, but I didn't know. Oh my gosh, I was so scared. This is Monster Madness. Oh, cute tags. So this one's called Tricky Treat Tags. And then this is the, yeah, tags, they do it that way. And then I don't remember what I paid for. Now that frame die was not cheap. It was like $26 or something. Let's see. Oh gosh, sorry. Get some. I don't know how much this was. It's probably $4 or something. Who knows anymore? Anyway, I got this. You can look it up. Simple Stories, so it goes back to that spooky thing, stickers. Maybe that's... And it has, so it'll relate to back to the images in that one paper pad, so I'll need to keep those together. I don't know. Anywho, so eek. Oh, look at the realistic. But I remember going through that haunted house. I have never been so scared. I don't think they do that anymore because people jumping out at you and stuff. The things that could actually have happened are kind of Happy Halloween. But you know, it was the 60s. You did what you did in the early 70s. Anyway, oh my gosh. Thinking back, there's no way. But I did it. Look at this. Ooh, I like these. These are cool. So they got the cutesy and the realistic mixed together. And being that I'm such a bad person, or a shopper, not a bad person. I am not a bad person. Okay, now Timmy, back in the day, said there's no way we could do distress oxides in the small format, so don't ask us. I remember him getting gets kind of snippy sometimes. Anyway, well, darned if they didn't come out with it. So they must have figured out a way, Tim. Anyway, I like the oxides because you can layer them and they don't get that muddy look to them. So I could put the brown, they stay their own color, if that makes sense. So, and because it was new, I had to have it. And I can't go to my only One Life creations. They're out of business now, so that's where I used to get my Timmy stuff. These were not cheap, but I have the entire set. Of course I do. So there you go. I ordered or picked up some Recollections brand 1-inch containers for just like his containers at Michael's. So those I got for like $6. So I got 3 of those. But yeah, it's all the colors. There won't be any more new colors. He's not coming up with new product after this year. I mean, this year everything was already in the works, so, but after that he's not doing it. So now I have the Distress Oxides in the large size and the small size. This is much easier to travel with. And you can do what you did before. You can color with watercolor with them and all of that, distress things, ink the backgrounds, whatever you want. It's just a little juicier, I guess. Water reactive dye and pigment infusion, but in a convenient stick. Apply ink directly to the surface. Use ink on rubber or clear stamps. Blend ink with blending tool. That's what I do a lot. Coordinates with other distress products. So that, my friends, is my latest scrapbook.com haul. All right, take care. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to leave a comment. A like, thumbs up is always appreciated. And if you like this video and you haven't joined my channel, I would love to have you part of my little community here. We have a good time. I have kind of some discussions in my comments. It's pretty fun. So I enjoy it, and I hope you do too. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.